Can we start now? Action. Today is the start of winter. The northern regions are about to be covered in heavy snow.
Wait, 老师, the streets are still so green. Are you sure it's already winter?
Alright. It does not really look like the winter. After all, we are in the south of China.
Yes, 老师, the scenery in Hangzhou now looks like spring and autumn.
Well, you and the great Tang Dynasty poet Bai Juyi think alike. I wrote these lines while serving as the prefectural governor of Hangzhou. In the October of lunar year, the weather is so fine in Jiangnan that the winter scene is as lovely as the spring's bloom.
老师, I love celebrating Chinese festivals because there's always something special for every festival. Does there any special foods for the start of winter?
Oh, wait. The solar turn is not festival. It signals the adjustment of light rhythms. People's life indeed begin to take on characteristics of nourishment and storage.
Then why we don't look for some special food for winter?
Amazing! Let's go.
Okay.
Oh well, you have just echoed an old Chinese saying, 立冬补冬补嘴空, meaning that nourish the winter and nourish your mouth during the start of winter.
老师, I heard Longjing tea is very tasty.
It is tasty indeed.
Wait, 老师, why are you abandoning me?
Longjing tea is green tea. It's cool in nature and can clear heat. Drinking it, you are moving farther away from the wrong tonification.
Oh, 老师, there's a mutton soup shop. I heard it's nourishing.
It's true, but there is a winter principle for tonification in winter. People in the north, they should focus on the warm tonification, while people in the south should focus on the mild tonification. If your young energy is too strong, eating too much mutton might lead to internal heat. Look, there are some berries over there that may suit you. Let's go. The weather has been a bit dry these days. Let's have some sugarcane and water chestnut juice.
Nice. So good.
Yes, it's sweet and it can promote your body fluid production.
Oh, understand the meaning of moistening now. 老师, I can smell the Chinese medicine. Let's explore.
Okay, let's go. Look, there are some qi supplementary herbs and blood supplementary herbs. Qi supplementary herbs such as ginseng, chenpi, are suitable for those with qi deficiency, health complexion, soreness of blood, and split deficiency. Blood supplementary herbs such as goji berries, Chinese date, Rhizoma polyglotti are suitable for those with a pale complexion, dizziness, palpitation, pale lips, and low hemoglobin levels.
I think it's perfect for maintaining my health in winter.